Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. My people, sometimes I see some videos on social media that have me thinking and make me feel wonder, You understand? Really and truly. You see me? So I'm going to explain to you according to what I understand. Now, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that have been put together and posted on social media. And in at least one of these pieces of videos, you can hear when a person said the word robbery. See? Now, I don't know exactly where and when those videos have been recorded, viewers and subscribers, but there are hints and clues or certain things that I can see in the video that might give you an understanding as to which country the video have been recorded. Like a sign that you can see in one piece of the video, and a motor vehicle license plate, and an accent that someone who you can hear talking in the video used to talk. Now, even though these pieces of videos have been posted on social media, with certain words and titles to it, and in the video can hear when at least one person said the word robbery, I don't have any confirmed information as to what exactly happened. So you can look at these videos and tell me if you see anyone in any of these videos holding a firearm. I got the understanding that these pieces of videos are being talked about on social media for a certain number of reasons. One of those reasons is because one piece of those videos shows when a certain number of persons got inside of a motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers, and the motor vehicle had been driven away. You see what I'm saying to you? So I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you so that you can take a look at them for yourself. You can also let me know what you think, and please bear in mind that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Why robbery in the gas station, man? Robbery in the gas station, man? Robbery in the gas station, my sour alive. Get kicks. Monsters out. Robbery in the gas station, are alive.
Put them out of them bomb that the motor vehicle. You see the amount of persons who go inside of the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, that's one I think them have been talked about on social media about that situation. And you see whosoever did a video record, whether it wants to be one or more than one person did a video record, whosoever was video recording, big up and respect to whosoever was video recording. In my point of view, those pieces of videos can help bring awareness. So may I say? Now here I'm going to present a video to you, viewers and subscribers, and in this video a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person defended the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Holmes. Yeah, so here I'm going to present the video to you, and the people want to listen and tell me what to think about some words that the person said in the video. Please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
This, yeah, so look up clad PMP boy every day when you get up and you just live on Anjo Wallace. One, when you get raised up here and you not talk about that and you not this and that, and you want to look up here where a man get a man for work feet, oh you not talk about look up boy PMP boy we get 22 million, and you know in a government, you know nothing for your country, you know look no marketing and nothing. The man if you go all about and do things to the blood clot place, and then you know the one side of watch your man money and them thing. You know go suck on you know, a labor right me say. Who no like me, come get me no. Let me tell you no, a man nah itch. You know easy for the man and go yeah? Everything when I get up is Andrew Wallace. If a car crash, Andrew Wallace. If a bus lick up, Andrew Wallace. If what happen? Easy for the man and go find something blood clot. Go hand out and all looking up. Go work for one want you know. You hear that? big up yourself and just straight on them bumbo clot. And them can't stop you from win back. One more term on them blood clot. A landslide, you say. Straight.
Well, my people, if no politician or politicians, whether from either sides of parties, don't reject money from this new salary increase thing, then me no know about nobody else, but that tell me something. You understand? Because me hear quite a number of persons that talk about the new salary increase for a certain amount of politicians within the country of Jamaica. Some persons disagree with it. Some people agree with it. Some people talk good about some politicians within the country of Jamaica. Some people talk bad about some politicians within the country of Jamaica. You understand me? So, I'd like to know what you think about that whole situation. Still enough viewers and subscribers, in? Yeah, let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright? If you notice the person mention a certain number of a million or millions in that video, them people, you see what I say? Yeah, I wonder if you hear about the whole salary increase thing for a certain amount of politicians within the country of Jamaica. You see what I say? Yeah, all them things that me hear talk about and so forth. You see me? Now, I'm going to present a piece of a video to you that has been posted on social media, and this piece of video is going to show when a man was trying to hit a person. Now, I got the understanding that the situation is considered as a fight between those two persons, and I also got the understanding that one of those persons who you can see in the video hit the other person who you can see in the video, and the situation escalated into what some people might call a fight, or a person was trying to hit the other person, viewers and subscribers. See? Now, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this piece of video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Some people on social media found the entire video to be funny. So when I look at this piece of video and tell me what you think, you can tell me if this piece of video is funny or not. You can tell me what you think overall, viewers and subscribers. One more thing I want to say to each and everyone before I present this video to you. Please just avoid certain type of confrontations, because sometimes certain confrontations ends really bad. You understand? Anyways, some of the scenes in this piece of video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Observe, and let me start this piece of video at this point. Look.
Run! What's up? What's up? Come on, I'm going to spawn down.
Since we talk about my people, that person was trying to avoid being hit. You get what I said to you? Yeah, you know. I don't know if that person eventually hit the person for your subscribers, and in my point of view, one of those persons that seems a little bit off, as if the person was not totally balanced a certain way. I can't tell you what really and truly happened to that person. I don't know. You understand? Yeah, so people, tell me what you think about that video. Do you think that video is funny, or if it is not funny? You see me I say, leave a comment or comments in the comment section of the video. Oh yeah, click up the subscribe button, my people. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button. Alright? Yeah, you know, stay tuned with Dancehall Skilla. So here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to like to tell me what you think about this invention that you can see in the video. You know, the video shows a person putting something at a part of a motor vehicle or inside of a motor vehicle, and really and truly, I like to tell me what you think about this invention, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Look at the video for yourself and then we'll talk some more. Observe. That?
Chào nó theo viên đá đấy.
Looking at the clock right or some.
You know what that means?
And too big no son. No padlock like a big son.
This thing man, you like man. Run one more use. See, I show you how much you go down here.
Just lock yourself. Bang! Alright, we just saw it. Look at it. Make press here, press the gas.
Nothing you can't get. And you go in there, so nothing now move.
Must take shoes and take it.
Me don't know about nobody else, you know, but that look like a some form of protection. That.
Oh yeah, start it up there. Yeah, no.
Yo.
Yeah, I'm going no, you're enjoying there. I press the whole light and I want down.
Use the foot and press this one. Yeah, good.
Tough like that. That's I press the whole light and it can't get no more.
Take you off now. Take you off my MC.
Yeah.
See, just like that. Bam, hit that.
Alright. Me don't know about nobody else, but me like the idea there. Yes, me like the idea there. Me like the idea there and the invention there. So me answer my people, but no, don't get me wrong. You know, in my point of view, me think that is something where it's for try and stop a motor vehicle from being, you know, stolen. Stop thief a motor vehicle or motor vehicles. Listen, look, the only thing me say, and me nah try to say nothing bad towards the thing, you know, cause I like it. It's just the part where you see the padlock there. I wish there's a way that the padlock could have cover. That's there's no way nobody can use anything to lick the padlock and force it open. You get what I mean? Yeah, more like the padlock part for cover. It coming like how you see some grills make with the padlock the inside and the whole part that cover. The only thing that you can do is push your hand up for open the key. For use the key for open the padlock. You get what I mean? So I like that set away where it could have cover, but I don't know how that I can set away where it can really cover. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna go upset that they make that thing there out of some stronger metal too, you know, cause that metal you know, it good enough. You see me I say, but you don't know, criminals we go through some extreme for cut and do all kind of things. So man, my people, listen to me, man. You have to think for yourself for protect your things them some of the times. You see me I say? Yeah. Let me know what you think about that thing. Big up to whoever make that, you understand? Yeah, so me I left it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.